Hey, I'm Adam with Datavideo here at ISE 2023, and I want to introduce one of our latest presentation switches, the iCast 10. So this is the bigger brother to the iCast Mini, the dual-channel presentation switcher. This one actually features 5 inputs, and this will take a mixture of baseband video, so HDMI, SDI, and IP video sources, so NDI as well. We also have a USB UVC input for document cameras. So this switcher will of course switch between all 5 inputs, but we can also record all 5 inputs and the program output at the same time, so we can do an ISE record. We have built-in streaming, so we can actually stream all 5 inputs as well as the mixed program output as well. What's really unique about this solution is the number of different options we have for control. So in its simplest form, we can just use the buttons on the front right here and press the button to switch to that source. It also has a built-in web interface, so if you connect a laptop or any device with a web browser, you can control all of the functionality in the switcher via the web interface. Or we have a dedicated touch panel controller. So this is TPC 700. It's a dedicated 7-inch touch panel controller. It's VESA mountable. There's a VESA 100 mount on the rear of the unit there, so it can be mounted onto a stand, a desk mount, any standard VESA mount. And from here, with a very easy to use interface, we can switch between all of the video sources, we can switch between the picture-in-picture modes, we can start and stop the recording, start and stop the streaming, but we also have camera control. So this is an integrated solution, so if we have 4 cameras connected, we can control the 4 inputs on the switcher, and we can also control the 4 cameras, so we can call off presets on those cameras. We have manual PTZ control if we go to the camera tab. And on the home page there, you'll see there are buttons to toggle the AI functionality. So if you're using one of our AI-enabled tracking cameras, you can turn the tracking for that camera off from here as well. So for more information, please visit the website, that's datavideo.com.